past, I've had a couple of really bad experiences with cowboys, people purporting to be tradies or experienced. From then on, when you see something like Roofbuddy, you get 5 quotes. You don't have to do anything. You get a bit of advice from the chap I was dealing with at Roofbuddy initially, and I think we were not the lowest quote. They were all pretty much in the same ballpark. Went with the second quote, and sitting above me now, I've got a completely new colour steel roof, and I've got Guardian seal on the 2 flat areas, and I'm absolutely wrapped. And James was the chap I was dealing with at Roofbuddy, and he was just amazing. Sort of answering calls, answering emails, and when to pay each third of the invoice, and you don't pay your final invoice until it's been signed off. I'm just so happy that I went down this path. It just takes all the stress out of your hands. It was just a beautiful experience.